Right, I'm just making a short video on laying gravel. We've got a gravel drive, and next to it we had a patch of grass. I think the grass size was 45 square metres. Now what we've done, we've dug up the grass. I've got a skip which was a 4-yard skip, and that's supposed to take 4 tonne of rubbish. But because grass doesn't seem to compress, I think we've put about 2 tonne of rubbish. Now the garden was sunken down anyway, so literally all we did was just take the topsoil off. We've concreted in some concrete sort of lintels come gravel boards down the side, as you can see, and then we put a membrane down. I put some weed killer as well. I put down, before I put the membrane down, I sprayed, as soon as I got the soil out, I sprayed all the grass with Gallup 360 weed killer neat, and that's supposed to kill all the grounds. So I sprayed that down first, and then I put this membrane down. I got this membrane from eBay, and I think it was 34 quid for 60 square metres, so there's a bit of overlapping going on. And then the idea was to put hardcore down and then to compress it with a compactor, and then put your gravel on. Now I've woefully miscalculated how much hardcore I needed. I thought 2 tonne of hardcore would do it, but I'm nowhere near. So if you look down there at the minute, that's what 2 tonne looks like, and I've got another 3 tonne coming today. So I'm going to drop the 3 tonne down, and then I'm going to carry on compacting the hardcore. Now I think the hardcore cost, I think it was £45 for a 900 kilo bag, a tonne bag, and the gravel I think was about 55 quid for a bag of 20 mil gravel. So I'm going to have 5 bags of this hardcore. That they call it, some places call it Type 1 sub base, and other places just call it 20 mil limestone. This is 20 mil limestone. You can get bigger stuff, which I think would be better, but I've only got a small compactor, so I'll show you the compactor. So I hired this compactor from Brandon Hire, and I think it cost for a week. It cost about 60 quid for a week, but I had to pay £150 deposit in case it gets nicked. So obviously when I take it back, then I'll get me 150 quid back. So I hired that for a week. I think it was about 60 quid with fuel in it. I think my skip was about 138 quid for a 4-yard skip. And as I say, it's going okay, apart from miscalculating how much hardcore I need. So today I've got 3 more bags coming, so I'm going to put the 3 bags down, compress it a bit, and then do the gravel. Okay, I'll make a later video when I've got the gravel down. Alright, cheers.